Why do we ride? It seems like a simple question, and at first glance, it may seem like it has a simple answer. The simple answer is to have fun. But is it truly that simple? What moves a person to invest thousands of dollars in a machine, a helmet, boots and other gear, as well as licenses, classes, fuel, and everything else that goes into being ready to ride a motorcycle? What is it that makes us justify the risk of participating in an activity that is inherently dangerous? That makes us think the risk of bodily injury and indeed even death worth it? To have fun? Injuries are not fun, and there are many other hobbies one can pursue that are fun and carry less risk. Getting rained on, getting hot and cold, thirsty, and getting flat tires while far from home are generally considered not fun. Maybe it's because fun is a subjective term. What is fun to one person may not be fun to someone else. To one, seeing sights off the beaten path that not everyone sees is fun. To another, it may be the camaraderie that develops between riders. To others, it may be the mental relief of just feeling the wind while surrounded by beauty. The question of why do we ride will always be difficult to answer, because each rider's definition of why will be different. But instead of that being a problem, that is the precise answer. Why we ride is different for each of us, and yet those different whys are what brings us together. And the meeting point is almost always deemed worthy and worth it by those fortunate enough to meet there.